Venice is very beautiful, but it is also very tricky to walk around. There are many narrow streets, small canals, and high bridges. Today, I will tell you about my adventure with Mark in Venice. Mark and I arrived in Venice. We carried our heavy suitcases over many bridges. It was a warm day, and our GPS did not work well in the small streets. Venice has so many narrow alleys, it is easy to get lost. Excuse me, can you help us?
Yes, of course.
We are looking for Hotel Rialto.
Ah, Hotel Rialto. It is not far. Go straight, then turn left at the bridge. After that, turn right at the small street. The hotel is next to a canal.
Sorry, can you say that again?
Yes, go straight, then left, then right. You will see a bridge. Cross the bridge.
Is it far from here?
No, it is about 5 minutes.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy Venice.
Left, right, bridge. I hope this is correct. Let's just follow the bridge.
Look, that's the hotel. We found it.
After checking in, we wanted to go to Piazza San Marco. Venice is very confusing. Every street looks the same. Our GPS did not work again. I think we went the wrong way.
Yes, this street looks different from the map. Was it left or right?
I don't know. GPS is not helping. This looks familiar. Or maybe not?
I think we passed this bridge before. Wait, no, maybe we didn't.
I think we are going in circles. Oh no, another dead end.
I guess Venice wants us to explore more. Let's try a different way.
In Venice, even finding the famous places is an adventure. Streets twist, alleys turn, and canals block your path. But even when we got lost, Mark and I laughed and enjoyed every moment. Venice is tricky, but it is full of surprises. While we were walking in Venice, we saw a small workshop. A man was making a Venetian mask. The masks were very colorful and beautiful. I wanted to look closer. Wow, this mask is beautiful. Can I take a photo? Do you sell these masks?
Yes, I do. You can buy them as souvenirs.
How much is this one?
This one is 20 euros. The simple masks are cheaper.
Look at this one. It is so pretty.
I like this one. It looks cool.
I want to buy it.
Me too. It is a good memory from Venice.
Let's pick 2 masks to buy. One for me and one for you.
Good choice. These are handmade.
After the workshop, we were hungry. We sat at a small restaurant next to a canal. The view was beautiful, and we were excited to try local food in Venice.
Hello, welcome. Here is the menu. Would you like something to drink?
What do you recommend?
You can try an Aperol Spritz. It is very popular in Venice.
Okay, I will try that.
Me too, please.
Great choice. Are you ready to order food?
Not yet. What food do you recommend?
We have risotto with squid ink. It is a famous dish here. We also have fresh seafood pasta and small snacks called cicchetti.
I want to try the seafood pasta.
I will try the risotto. I want to try something new.
Very good choices. I will bring your food soon. Here is your pasta and risotto. Be careful.
Be careful. Why?
The seagulls here love food.
Really?
Yes, they sometimes take food from the table.
I wanted to take the perfect photo. I set the plate on the table and, hey, that's my pasta. After the seagull ate a little of my pasta, we decided to take a gondola ride. We talked to a gondola operator and learned about a special festival that night.
Hello, would you like a gondola ride?
Yes, how much is it?
A regular ride is 80 euros for 30 minutes.
Okay, that sounds good.
Tonight is special. We have Festa del Redentore.
Oh, what is that?
It is a big festival. There are fireworks and many decorated boats.
That sounds amazing. Is there a special gondola ride for that?
Yes, we have a premium ride for the festival.
How much is it?
It is 200 euros.
Oh, that is expensive.
Yes, a little too expensive for us. Can we still see the festival without the ride?
Yes, of course. You can walk and watch from the canal.
Great. Thank you for the information.
We decided not to take the expensive ride. Instead, we walked to the canal to watch the festival with many other people. Look! So many lights!
Wow. The boats are decorated. It is beautiful.
We did not plan this, but it is amazing.
Yes, Venice always has surprises.
I hear music too.
And look at the fireworks.
This is my favorite moment of the trip.
Me too. Even without the gondola ride, this is perfect.
There are so many people, but it feels happy.
Yes, everyone is celebrating together.
I am so glad we came here tonight.
Me too. This is a special memory.
After the festival, Mark and I walked along the canals. The lights reflected on the water and the music still played in the distance. Even though we got lost many times today and even had a cheeky seagull steal my pasta, we had so much fun. Venice is full of surprises, and today was an adventure we will always remember.
Now, let's review some useful English words and sentence patterns you can use when traveling.
Upgrade. To get a better room or service. Example, we got a room upgrade. Dead end. A street that goes nowhere. Example, we walked to a dead-end street. Hidden gem. A very special place. Example, this restaurant is a hidden gem. Festival, a celebration with music, food, or events. Example, we saw a festival in Venice. Gesture, to show with your hands or body. Example, the lady used gestures to show the way. Stumble upon, to find something by accident. Example, we stumbled upon a mask workshop.
Today we learned that even when things go wrong, like getting lost or losing some food to a seagull, adventures can still be fun. Venice has narrow streets, beautiful canals, and unexpected festivals. Always explore, laugh, and enjoy the surprises around you.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next English adventure.